Hello everyone. In this equation, many people go from left to right without paying attention to the order of operation. So what they do the subtraction. So they get 12 minus 8, they get 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 6, and they get 12 divided by 6, and they get answer 2. But this is of course wrong, because subtraction should come after multiplication and division. If you all guys remember PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, and D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So in this case, we first need to do parentheses. In this case, we don't have it. Then we do exponents as well, we don't have it. Then on the same level, we need to do multiplication and division from left to right. Here we have multiplication and division, and we need to calculate from left to right, and only at the last step we need to do the subtraction. So the correct way would be to first do the multiplication, then the division, and only then to do the subtraction. So we have 12, 8 multiplied by 3 is 24 divided by 6. So we have 20, now we need to do the division. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So we have 12 minus 4, and the answer is 8. And this would be the correct answer. Guys, thank you very much for paying attention. Hit the like button and subscribe please for more videos. Ciao, ciao.